Hey guys, I've got a 2016 Toyota Corolla, and I'm using this car to show you how to change your cabin air filter. So it starts by opening the glove box. To fully open it, you have to squeeze it in on either side, and you have to detach your little shock there. It just clicks onto that thing that sticks out. And that's where the cabin air filter lives. The dirty side will always be on the top. Pretty gross. Yeah. Didn't click on. Yeah, the glove box just attaches to those pieces. There it is. Can you open it real quick so I can show the shock? Cool. Alright, that's it guys.